let's work on kind of a classic filler. This is kind of concentric circles, and we are going to start by stitching a circle as we have multiple times before. Now we are going to travel along the edge of either the quilt or our kind of bound off area here and echo evenly around this circle. So now that we've done a few echoes, we are going to travel along our previous echo to kind of get out of the corner. And then we're going to start another circle that is kind of smushed behind the previous. So it's not going to be a full circle. It's going to be like 90% of a circle. Now there isn't a lot of traveling in this design. It's just these short little segments to move along and keep our echoes around our circles kind of consistent instead of starting all from a point that is kind of in the crevice of the circle. So that's the whole design. You can do as many echoes as you like. You can use echoes to travel and fill in areas. But the most important thing is just to travel at the end of your echoes to kind of maintain this kind of rainbow look. Now, you do not have to keep a consistent number of echoes around each circle. You can vary them up or keep them all the same if that's kind of the look you're going for. Now you can see here, I decided to add more echoes to this circle, and I'm just tucking them along the outer echo of this. So these are going to be kind of folded around each other. Here is our concentric circles all finished in this rather large kind of center panel of this little sampler quilt. And this is a fun texture. It is very similar to the echo pebbles we did a couple weeks ago, but the concentric echoes give it a bit of a different feel. It's also a great opportunity to practice traveling in kind of very short segments, since it's just really the length of your echo width that you need to travel along the previous lines. So I hope you enjoy it, and happy quilting!